Hi, this is Aaron Foreman with Exit Row Productions, and we're here at the Cones event 2012. I'm here with Mark Howells from SDG Security. So Mark, just tell me a little bit about your company and what you guys do.
Okay, well, we are a local company. Our target audience is Central Ohio, and we have commercial and residential properties, both in security systems and fire panels. We do a lot of small offices to residential properties that, all over Central Ohio. We have an A+ rating in the Better Business Bureau. We're also on Angie's List. And we have our own central monitoring station, so we don't deal or contract any part of our business out.
What's something unique? There's other security systems out there, or security companies out there. What's something unique about you guys that you offer your clients?
Well, I think the fact that we are a local company and that we do have our own central monitoring station where we're held accountable and responsible, that's a great deal part of it. So we can, give the customers the service that they require. If you work with a company that's not necessarily local, it kind of hurts the local economy, and also it's just, it's just a better way to, to provide that customer service. When you call our office, you're actually going to get a person on the phone. There's not a huge phone tree that you go through. Press 1 for this, press 2 for that, and so I think that. That gives people a little more peace of mind knowing that there's actually somebody on the other end of the phone and somebody that's doing 24/7 monitoring. You kind of want to make sure that somebody is doing that. So, yeah.
Great. So, what do you think about the Cones event? What have you guys seen so far, and what are some good things here going on?
Well, we are a part of AmSpirit, which is a big part of this Cones event. Actually, there are 3 of us in the company that have 3 different chapters. That we represent the company through. This is our, I believe, 4th year of doing Cones events. And it's a great way to obviously meet a lot of different people from all the different chapters, and also just the service that comes from outside of that, how they market it to get other businesses in, to be able to promote our products and services.
Great. So if somebody wanted to ask you some questions or get in touch with you and do business with you, what's the best way to get in touch with you?
Well, of course, there's a website. I think everybody in business has a website now. That's one way. Obviously, you can contact the AmSpirit listings as well, and they were listed as there as well. SDG Security.
Great. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Thanks, Aaron.